Here is a simple and easy to make lace bracelet. Insert the rice bead and the lobster button, then cross-stitch one bead. In this order, insert the rice bead and the crystal bead. Cross-stitch one pearl. In this order, insert the seed bead and crystal. Cross-stitch one pearl.
A craftswoman's heart beats strong, creating beauty.
Repeat the above steps to the appropriate length.
Oh, the beauty she creates.
In the end, insert the beads in this order. Cross-stitch one bead.
In her workshop,
Insert the two seed bead extension chain and two seed beads. Cross-stitch from bead.
abide.
Pass the needle as shown to reach the desired position.
Hair clips to jewelry fine. Her hands weave magic, one thread
Add
at
7
a
seed
time.
beads.
A symphony,
Repeat the step till the end and you are done.
a dance of beads on this crafting night.